Now, float you look at who to see Cheleteka.
Oh, it's a lot.
600,000.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
It's really a lot.
Come on, out.
We are good, Mfana. We are good. I just want to emphasize something. I feel like quite a lot of people in South Africa, especially, all of us as black people, we suffer from obesity. We suffer from obesity as young people. Never mind the age, never mind the gender, never mind the quality of education you have or the type of lifestyle that you have. Yes. Obesity is coming, dog, with a big thing. So there's something that I saw on the news, and I feel like it's a very transformative conversation to have. There's this group of men by 18. Like this group of men, they are jogging, a lifestyle thing, and their mission is to achieve healthy body transformation while taking their social media fans along to witness their riveting experience. So this group dominates the street of Mpangeni. So during the weekdays, Baba Joka fell over 10 kilometers per workout. So I feel like we need to start doing these initiatives. It's good for us to actually take care of ourselves. But for obesity, we drink a lot, we eat a lot of sugar. And at some point, that is with depression. We are unemployed, we are eating junk. So, 10 kilometers, it wouldn't hurt you. Let us starting these jogging clubs within our communities. Dog, like 5 kilometers from Tabo.
Yes.
So stop signing any group or just for healthy lifestyle. I advocate for this, man. It's one of the things that I feel like, these are things that we need to talk about and actually emphasize on, because health comes first.
I'm sure I'm just going to feel obesity.
No.
I would like to have a dog. But
it comes with you. But diabetes, cholesterol, high blood pressure. It's a lot. It's a lot.
So come not let's go skinny.
Do you know that you can get sick into skinny? So
serious?
Yeah, you need to check your BMI here and there, or no check your high blood pressure. As long as you are within the level range.
I'm a one of the shop. One about 2 years shop. One of the but I could have managed to manage Fura, the combine. I want to visit to what's the judge? Manyamala lost every day, Spanish.
I want to go to my job because I'm like, hey, my friend, this is for you, you know.
Manyamala just come and suggestion every day, every day. Every day. And I know
she needs to
Lokabalia, Manyamala, la Rochevi de Ratte. To Ravala, take up WhatsApp, Potako, that's why Debbie. All right, 326 Thetha Drive. Ragalagapina comes at the small M keys and Bisona Pinaki Impilo. Pinina Mamedi in a 5 days. In a late bake for Pinina, I sense Matamano ho at 33K views. And Matalabi locally Tobia, the MC. Mishimanwani, hey, I'm Teleka Zemo. Yes, so pizza, Papa face, Mamedi Seko Lumedisa. What a healthy Molinting at Sebo Sevilla Zona gets Tata, your soul collection. I want to make a fella tank with tank Hararu. Who was the Buddhist saying Sana South Center, but I'm talking Ringo Yana. A Buddha, my Buddha, a TNT when some of the Zomo Thetha Drive official lavating happens at Sinaloa. Same time, same place.
Protocol has been observed. It is verbs and vibrations, faces and places and actions over captions. My name is the Skinny AF Wahamulefe. Back at it again. Happy Monday. It's a beautiful one, man. Happy afternoon. Hashtag Thetha Drive. That's where you went on this beautiful Monday afternoon. You might as well just pin your location and let us know where you're listening from simply on our WhatsApp line. And you might as well alternatively just follow us on social platforms. It is Thetha FM 100.6. Right, Toma Raifeta. Manyamala. How's it? It feels like I haven't seen you guys in years.
Such a report today?
I don't know. It's like it's been years, bro. It's been years.
Yeah?
Maybe I'm in another dimension, I think. Oh, Fitz, how are we doing?
I'm not 100. We're not 100.
Yeah. Out of 10, I give it a proper 10. I mean,
yeah. Look at 10.
Proper 10.
Listen, can tell me that.
Oh, shit.
Ah, come on. Let's sound up a pillow, man. Yeah, we're going to stop. Yeah.
My man, I think it's time for her to let it. What happened?
Yeah, I'll try it on.
Come on, man.
What happened? Yeah, but they're going nothing.
Nothing.
Okay, maybe the personal, yeah. Yeah, o jele monate.
She's even blushing.
Even o blush.
She's even blushing.
Yeah, fit.
O pori. Kitty vibes.
Yeah.
Kitty vibrations.
Yes.
Uncle Siam. Nice things, more like it.
Fa wena skini mafelo beke afa ile shop ntwana.
Dog. Yeah, it was a very incredible weekend.
Yeah.
Matches were great. We saw soccer. The boys are doing good. Others are not. And yeah, man, the events that were happening on the weekend were massive. Beautifully massive. I enjoyed my weekend, bro. Out of 10, I'd give it a 10.
That's brilliant.
Hence why this Monday afternoon, I'm like 10 out of 10. How about you?
And I want to Chiefs win ntwana.
You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying?
Chiefs win no so when I bet I want nyana mo netelele ha ba monate.
1-0.
Yeah, 1-0.
That's why it was so loud in the weekend. Oh, God, like Chiefs win.
Yeah.
Right, Kaizer Chiefs. It did it.
Yeah. Twana le nae mafelo ka beke adula le matla. Adula le monate o bana wa tseba mfethu. Ki kazama ntwana bo. Yeah, thibeke motho ka MC ya manyalo, thibeke motho ka MC like ho hlobo. So o tsebe ha ka bona manta ke tla ke thabile ntwana o tsebe ya.
You make money.
Yo ntwana yo.
You make money.
Ntwana yo. Bekumnandi ntwana Saturday. Bese MC ya Saturday and Sunday bekumnandi njalo. So ki got 10.
Afternoon drive is rich.
You know what?
26 is rich.
Talking about the weekend, one thing that I'm actually seeing within the market space, creatives are actually getting a chance to shine. I saw on one of the events that you did, it was more of dancers.
Yes.
It was young people, talented young people. Man, was it from the hood? Was it in the VOP?
Yeah, ki Everton ila songwane so like ntuthabisa because ntutse tjana o tshaka re bona mane bo Soweto fela bo Thembisa vale mona hadiyo even le holo nje mona ga paizise fela ha ne le Everton Wilberforce Community College ya ke taba tsene ke tsala mo talented tse fapaneng fetho ke bua ka bana ba vale ba se ba tswa bo Brazil bo Europe bo United States le kana le bona mo mara ba tswa vale mara ha ba bona hale hore ba tswa vale ka lebaka la hore ha ba thole support from the vale
so they would rather go to different spaces and shine there
ba shine kwana plekeng tseo.
No, I'm just glad we have such initiatives, man.
Yeah, so ho bile motho ya reng a to be o tsaba utshaka ga yetsa ntwana jole re tlo yetsa selemo le selemo ntwana event ena tlo le teng re ba support re kenya letsoho ka Raval.
I love that. Man, I saw that it was very much pretty cool, man, to see it. Pretty cool to see it. And one thing that I am proud of, it seems like Val now is actually catching up with the talent that it has. I'm very glad because also one of the things that are doing headlines, I saw that you posted, TikTok is running crazy, X is running crazy. One of our own Garakalik side, shout out to Law Kid, man. He's doing great as well. Twice a show. Dog. Putting the map, man. Putting the map Orange Farm just there. Let me just play this clip. I have this clip.
All right.
Do you have the clip?
All right, cool.
Do you have the clip?
Which one?
The one that you posted.
Yes.
Or should I play it here?
Fast.
Yes, sir.
So that the system it's lovely. It's lovely.
Man, it's one of the great things, man.
It's lovely.
Yeah, this guy Plomako Orange Farm, Lakeside. He's made it back to the Twice show. His name is Lockheed, so I'm fine. I am fine. Was featured.
Whoever featured that powerful. He's very powerful or she's very powerful. So Lockheed, or like Chola Karandao, Kina Clipina when a skin. Arutlo mamedi, arutlo. Ira fantore batlang kamon. For sure network. Jehovah.
Let me play it here. Let me play it here. There I have it. Catch me.
Yeah.
Sure. From the twice.
We'll play it.
Sure.
Get interested. Bro, you know, it made me happy. I see a lot of people are happy. Orange Farm now it's interlinked with the Val because when Orange Farm is shining, they're happy. When Val is doing great, but Orange Farm they're happy. I'm glad to see that happening. I'm glad to see that happening. Get interested.
And I patile background ya hae.
O tswa kasi.
O dula ale live ale kara post ya hae. Wa covereng a swabele background. Control. Awa pusha. Mabedi na kwa betso tsoma shoma mapeti ka mora hora ya boraro. Are mathelebelo wena skinny AF. Ke re bona rona ka nnete mabenkele ka mona a re tshwaretseng. Mabedi wa tseba tshebeletso ke matla tshebeletso ke ya Thetha. Re dumelle fela re tse general. no ntwana yami ya bua le ntwana e mona ra ntwana ka ona wa nchaza jwale wa ngkgothatsa ke bona o phusha naka betso mashome a mabedi le metso supileng ka mora hora ya boraro mamedi re tlo fa ditaba tsentse di etsala kwano Africa borwa ntse ku utlwa mona off air bile ntjaka my chome skinny AF ntse bua ka a DJ Shimza skinny
yeah
di bona taba tso buang ka tsona
I'm an artist I'm making money
batho ba phusha ka ntle ka e mona entertainment ina le tsaka.
So what I say is, I think you've been in the VAR for the longest time.
Yes.
You might tell me just how it works. So since what we're seeing that artists and DJs are actually millionaires with their own talent.
Yes.
Because that's the Shimza feel like the Black Coffee can actually link this whole ecosystem of talent in South Africa to be globally. You understand?
Yeah.
So with you are in the VAR, you're an artist. There was a guy that we had, that guy. Remember when we played his music? He was saying that one of the challenges is Habarba perform on the stage, and stuff. Why is it like that? And also, how long do you think it's going to take the artists at Valley to get to that point where they are actually making a lot of money?
What's about artists at Valley? Bakabatwa ko ba pusha ntwetswana. Number 1. Ba bangata ba tlotswa guys. Number 2, like akere ba pusha ntwetswana. Motho mo le mong wa Valley o batla hore ha rapper ile mrapper o batla rapper ka stadium. Phamisa 18 la kena industry ya mapiano o batla o dula a phamisa 18 tse ding tsa dintho feta di hlokale. Remember how pina tseo tso di etsang ha o di etsetse batho ba Valley fela o tlo mamela ke batho ba bo Pretoria KZN bo Limpopo bo
so ba itse bo 18
ke mona o itse ka stadium ga setsa bo embo bo ne dintse jolo kae ha di spa
is making you making sense you're making sense
Majita wa tsa ba ka survive ba go etsalang a ba ka fire ka ga fire ha le artist via ka ga Valley o lo phela ka ntle ma o fihla ka ntle ka mane ntsha botadiana ka hlomo o ya ka ntle.
That's when you actually go far because people need to relate to your art so if it's a label 18 some of us we don't understand what that is and therefore we can support
industry e monatika e ba tlotla ka ntwintsha e tshwana e modli tshwana ntho ngwe le ngwe fetho ba tlo trend ha ba tlo ja chelete to ka ntwintsha
na it makes
o
sense
ska etsa ntho etswang ke batho kaofela taflinya wa bona ga yo ka si ba phamisa engwe phamisa lo ena ai re fitile le ke ntho tsa local.
Now you're making sense.
So ke nana ba kha batho ke ntho Majitapa na mfethu ntse ke ke one day ya ke popa ya fire
once and for all. Get out of there.
Ke ya fire mona bona life ya re mona life ya ka mona life ya jwetsa o chelete ya Cape Town ke Cape Town you understand?
That's true.
Sheba DJ Shimza
that's true.
Sheba Black Coffee ba pusha batho bao
get out of your comfort zone
ba pusha batho
get
bao
out of your comfort zone there man a ronka di flights tsebo mai I think he said in
400
in a month he took 400 flights in a month. He took 400 flights in a month globally. Hi,
just imagine them on push this.
Hi.
And a singa tlo mona ya Durban abaya
He's getting paid in euros and pounds.
Aya bona ya hule kwana wena aya mose hule eno go tla tswe chelete ngata ena ntho ngwe peki thutileng ka yena a hona le visa ya di artist mo tlile da
yes
a o ka se fela o lo letsa
fela you can't go on stage without having
o lo letsa fela Japan never
it's impossible
ba hloka visa ya di artist ka mona tsere visa ya tsela ya go vae ka sia o e ka ta go
and you can't have one manager as an artist as well
mona bua le ka ntho ya go ka se be le manager iwa a go thata go communicate le yena thata
it's live buffet izinja
batho ba pusha ka tle ka iba fethu ska fela ka sia tswa
se ke tswile
o so tswile
nice
tswa bona wena o no phela thembisa tšhelete ya go ya ge mona go batla vala
Mamela, you didn't even blink twice. You went way.
What la vala mari mo thunke basotho wa tla teng
wena mo next day Gauteng
wa understand wa tloa tšhelete ya o lahlela vala ba fethu re fentlotsa ditaba he ka maramono skinny AF o tenga sephetephete mamedi mani YouTube search fela lebitso Thetha TV re mono ntate o ka re shebella ngwaneso
Mana mengazibini kwala mecala umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uzibophelele kholawulo lwakhe kwingciphiseni kakhulu ukufa kwabantu ezindleleni uthethe kwingqungquthela yesizwe yezothutho Midrand eMntla Gauteng kusasa namhlanje phulaphuli ezine ezinye intsimbi yesene kwangoku Skinny AF nezasesindleleni
Thetha FM traffic update
Thank you, Manyamalala. Now let's drive through for the first time this afternoon. Let's start things off in Johannesburg. Currently, if you're driving through on your N1 southbound at Golden High, there is a stationary vehicle and the left lane has been closed. Please ensure that you do drive carefully. And then now on your N3 southbound at Hillary's Interchange, there is a crash, unfortunately, and the 3 lanes have been closed. Expect some heavy delays this afternoon, or you might as well just use an alternative route. Harshabakaraka N1 southbound as you are heading towards the western bypass. On your traveling lane there of Rem to Garden Road, there is a stationary vehicle as well. Ensure that you do drive carefully. And then on your N1 southbound before Winnie Mandela Drive, Honali a stationary vehicle as well. Ensure that you do drive carefully. If we're taking a look on your Val side of things, R53 Garden Highway, the traffic is running smoothly and there are some traffic lights that are not operating as we're speaking this afternoon. Karagasa Bukeng, traffic is running smoothly as well. Please ensure that you drive carefully and with caution. If I'm missing anything out, please ensure that you do hit me up. I'm coming right back with more traffic updates. 4:30. But for now, there's only what I have, a skinny AF Wakamalefe right here on the 3 to 6 Thetha Traffic.
DJ Fresh in the building.
Thetha FM, this your boy T.
Hey, what's happening, guys? It's Queen B. You're listening to
Thetha Drive. Lebisa la pina ke deeper. Tla dutla mona fela tshebeletsong ena ya Thetha. Haholo jwang ho lena lenano la 326 Thetha Drive. Ka manta ba re ke mogodu Monday. Batho ba ba phomole ka tle ka iba fethu. Ena ne ke ipotsa batho ba spana kae. Batho ba ba lo renkeng ba yambo menating ka di Mondays so. Ba spana kae batho ba.
Do you want me to say it?
Yeah?
Do you want me to say it?
Hayi basipana kae banka ka tšhelete.
Mona ya batla tsandawo ntwana.
You know, though, I feel like, I don't know, I don't want to get in trouble, but this comes from skinny, not from Thetha.
Okay.
Doesn't come from Thetha, it comes from skinny.
Yeah.
Whether we like it or not, though, a lot of clubs are running in money laundering. So they need people to come in and fill up the place so that they sell that illusion to say, flip, that place is actually doing it. You understand? So when I'm talking about like money laundering, they are not even there to spend money, but they are there to make it seem like they are spending money. And therefore they're attracting these women, they get in the club. Whereas skinny, ole normal, we coming into the club, we feel like, or we think like, damn, that place is actually popping.
Yeah.
In actual fact, it's not even doing it like that.
Seriously?
No, I'm telling you. I'm telling you though.
But bana mamedi bapaya.
Yeah.
Bapaya.
They are
One time.
not. They are not.
Bapaya. Ibile baya.
Useng ukhatlametso mo.
Monday to Monday. It's a culture.
Emona wana auti besitse blind. O tsama ka koloi e metsi. Emona o tsama ka Aiza, emona bo ma 13 Pro what. O mnati mtho. O mnating ka bo ma 4. Monday o say.
Nothing.
Ipotsa mtho magathi wele. O mone hape be ke tlang. Pompa di champagne.
Just bun size.
Ba fethu ke eng?
Atlebeajo.
Lenga ka tšhelete. Re jwetse.
Plug in, guys. Plug us in.
Ba fere plake. Malinga ka tšhelete. Ke le wetse. O kwetsa ka lana ba fethu.
Money.
Batho ba ikwalla. Kapa jwa wena tšhelete manyamela.
Like and ba dula bana le mabitso ke mohodu Monday, which means tlo phumula la bedi la bone ke ladies night.
Ajafatsi.
La hlalo go nje phumula 2 days.
Yeah.
The 2 days I don't think ba phumula because la bedi utlo tshwa ke hlo vya sutlo go 2 years.
Rest is for the weekend, guys. Rest is for the weekend. Akulalwa la emhlabeni. Tamalinga has been teaching us. Akulalwa emhlabeni. Rest is for the weekends. I'm telling you.
Ngeke. Mane 0630737540 ke mo go dumedisa teng ka phela rona la WhatsApp. Thetha FM ya Soul Connection. Ra teng kwana chomi mai chomi.
Mamedi, hlokomela hore maikutlo le mmono
Jo botlaela tswala bohlano hopola la bohlano bile ne rena le monga yona bana Semito ka kwana la phabosing ya gaso ya Thetha FM. Sebante o ke lebitso la pina a pina ke ya Semito o tsamaisana le Sanere motho ba palang ka dibente mona ya Basotho ba ke dibente motho ba palang ka dibente mona ke DJ Zaka radio mamedi hle ena ke na go rofetse itlhomempele kono Africa borwa ka ntle le ka harne re shebe eskin.
Yes, sir.
Ditsa strateng fana o bone mafelo a beke.
I thought quite a lot of things were actually unveiling and happening.
Yeah.
First story that I have, obviously we have given a shout out. Huge shout out to Lockheed, man.
Yeah.
I feel like he deserved to actually be given a,
big shout out.
off. Yeah. So I know if I'm always I think I'm an advocate for young people.
Yeah.
I advocate for young people because I'm a young person.
Yes.
And when it comes to unemployment, dog, when unemployment, I could say into offside. So there was a scene that was actually making trends on social media of quite a lot of young people who were outside a certain restaurant at Maponya Mall, at Mall of Africa.
Mall of Africa, ke bone.
It was heartbreaking.
Ke bone.
That store, it's a restaurant, e batla batho ba i5.
Rocco.
Yes.
Yes.
It wants 5 people
Yeah.
to come to work, and the numbers were absolutely crazy. When they were counting people, it led to plus 1,000.
Eish.
Plus 1,000 young people seeking for a general work. General work. What's saddening and heartbreaking is that there were also graduates there, dog. Now, in the LLB,
Eish.
there's people who've studied for engineering, there's people who've studied for administration, but because of unemployment and what it is today in South Africa, goodness, I don't know. I feel like the government needs to do much, because this generation, people are saying that young people are not employable, young people are crazy, young people are lazy. I just want to say that with all these videos that we're seeing online, dog, this generation is not lazy. It is not unwilling, but it is desperate for opportunity that they are not getting. So we are counting ourselves lucky to just say, you know what, I'm bathing, I'm going to work. In actual fact, there's 1 out of 4 people who are unemployed in South Africa. 1 out of 4.
I thought I insisted children.
Yo, can you see it?
And yeah, ke bone, Mall of Africa.
Yeah.
Ke bone, and usually. Ha ga bana ba kaofela da. Ha wa bona le no ba ba rutile da. Koro amana o ba bona fela ba shebile da. Ke di medi ke majita. E mona gona bona re e mo o badile ka metlakase, e mo nda o badile ka ntho itseng. Fela ba lo folla restaurant.
Yo, general work.
Ke ba tlatsitse mo.
Ba batla batho ba ifaife. O hira jwang batho ba ifaife where else lining is plus minus 1,200 and something in one mall. In one mall.
Ba batla 5, only 5. And ba sheba batho ba se ba etsane. Ba ntsha poster ya Spani already se ba batho tse ba.
They are there. You've already called someone saying Ntwana honnara ba qasha zwaga.
Mona ga bona mos.
You understand?
Ga bona o ko shebe mona le ka se di molong tsa kasi o no lo bona le wena mona mo tletse mona ka ga shop o tletse mona ba ka se one.
It's similar to
that
story.
A1
Yeah,
like
it's similar. It's similar to that story that you talked about the other day. Ya hore batho ba ka ika polokong ba batla Spani ka ika Golden Gardens. It's one of the particular issues though. People are not getting enough opportunities.
Yeah.
But there are no opportunities and our government is not creating them.
Ona le shopping with so plaza da.
Yeah.
Shipa yonka sibitsi ka lebitso mamedi. Mara o kene ka ga yona. A mona o gona bona yo. Ho tletse tsa hostel ene tsa line e1.
Ke bona fe.
Ke bona fela.
Same language,
same kasi, same street, same
Thola go supervisor lona ke handlantle ke mo.
Ke vele.
Damn.
Sira sento plaza yi. Ntwe ke buang. Empa fela radio mamedi re sa khona bitsa mabitso a wa itseba. Hona motho a tshwara thwebi ntwana bua fa. E mona fita ra feto wa bona ga ma bana ba ni kena le bona mshane. E mona ba ene ba dula line e1 da hostel da. E mona ba shopong ye ka fela ntso.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Bana ba batho ba hloka mesebetsi ka tlega yi.
That's crazy.
E mongwe wa fihla lo fihla yi Mzansi. Le wa fihla vale hi. O tswa hole kwa.
Thola
Spani.
Yeah. There's someone who's been applying Kavala Dulam
Vale.
5 years.
Yes, asa Thola Spani.
That's true. It's one of the things that I just, you know what, I'm tired. I'm tired of seeing this. But at least to get a vote and now to these elections that are coming.
Yeah.
The other story, the authority of court somewhere in the world, Mona, South Africa. The court has ordered a stepfather to pay 40,000 rand per month for the 2 teenagers to keep them on his medical aid, cover their medical costs, contribute up to 35,000 rands a month for rent, and pay 1 million rands for his ex-wife's legal fees.
Bana ba simba hai. The
Stepkids say 2. The stepkids say 2. Tama patale 40,000. For bona fe.
Ke molao re.
Yeah, seems like it. It seems like court has ordered it.
Mamedi ya ke tsebe ke nna fela o tlisa skin ka poetsala. E mona tema le ke stepfather.
O qeta divorce.
Le
makrisa bana.
O bana. Ha se bana ba hae.
So after divorce,
yeah.
One thing's first, Ntatuna no to patala. Before kena bane, to patala 1 million for his ex legal fees. I get in divorce, there's lawyers, there's legal things to actually follow. Patala, that's number 1. Sebaha 1. Number 2, Otro Kenya, these kids under his medical aid, our Kenya medical costs. And then our for 40,000 per month. 40,000 rands per month. So the matter of the question that stands today is, as a step parent, dog, like where do you draw the line? Because it seems like, I'm tired. I'm unemployed. I can't provide. But as long as he's still working, pay slip, it deducts 40,000 into the bank account. It's low. Court has ordered it to say you're gonna do this, and also I feel like this guy has money, so hence they think Raman, you can afford this 40,000 per month. He can afford it, even if it's 40,000. Let's take it as let's take it out of this story and make an example of it. As we speak,
Yeah.
you have a step kid. When you divorce that mother, the mother has a right to say, maintenance, even if it's 3,000 per month. The law
So
sees fit.
then you shapa bonta te fela ka pole motho mme ya mshapa.
If Mjamme anale,
That's the same thing.
Yeah, anale the means style provider for the family. If the wife is working, but check okay, maybe the father hana shelter enough, and then the mother has enough money.
Yeah.
The law still stands. Yes.
You nana so support bana be simba kana go lahli.
Every month.
You.
Yeah. I get last saying I'm gonna take you in community of property.
Yeah.
Therefore, even your kids are my kids.
Perfect. Hey, so hona le ngwana mo ne NSFAS e sendile 600,000. Account nya ha ka mistake. Bana ba batla send obvious 6,000. You understand?
Yeah.
Ba sendile 600,000. Ngwano a ba khutlisetsa back immediately. Nyakutshela. Ngwano NSFAS e kentse 600,000 account nya ha ya NSFAS. You understand? Bana ba tla ba motshele o kae 6,000. Ngwano ke khutlisetsa back to board.
Back to the send.
Back to the sender.
Back to the sender.
Ka potlako. So batho ba comment ba o flopile. Girl o bari. Ma ona motho a I buana la comment. A gona tlo tshwara.
It's true.
A gona motho a la tshwara.
It's true, because there was a lady Alatola NSFAS Elena, I think it's years back. Manoli no, she still owes NSFAS Chelteo. She's in debt. And Olatwara, it's I don't know under which law it falls for. Mara, Kasemulao, it's not her money.
Can I take him to any babua kaina because ba gona motho a wina 14 million. Like I win. His student NSFAS ba mo sendetse ka poso ba batla mo sendela 1.4. Bona ba etsa 14 million batho bao. Then aja 800,000. A sentence for 5 years in jail.
Yeah, and she's in debt.
And how sort of fellow kolota?
Yes.
How sort of but
she's in debt right now.
yeah. So batho ba ngata ba hlaliska ba anda shebisa elona tsela ngwana o entse bobari. O entse sharp because ke wrong. Hona motho a tshwa.
I mean, you see me
O no tlo etsa ntwa.
I'd chow it, dog. I would chow it and save it. And then after that 5 years, no, I'm telling you the truth. Guys, I got to work on employment of South African young people.
Okay.
I'm one of the young people.
Okay.
I chow it.
What's wrong?
I
5
save,
years.
yeah, I save at least 80% of it. I chow my 30%. In jail. But I'm not going to dog. Sooner or later, they're going to release me at 2 years. To say, I'm going to spend that shelter because now economy needs that ecosystem of transactions.
No,
obviously. No, had kolote. Ke patetse ke re tong ko tšhelete na.
O patala na kwa ya tronko o patala le tšhelete ya
I'll pay it, it's fine. It's a lot of mine. Guys, we talking about the employment of South Africa, bro. And we are the youngest people. So guys.
So ba tseba ngaholo ba ratang tšhelete ba tšo ba